mix, so they will they react chemically? So can I say my alloy has iron and copper, iron and copper. So is it a pure substance? No, because iron and copper, two different things are present. It's a mixture. It's a solid mixture or not? But when I am talking about, say, NaCl, so each.
So in the case of steel it's made up of iron as well as carbon.
Like this.
So it is also mixed in.
It's a mixture.
So it's combined in a proportion.
Then if it's combined in a proportion, look at this mixture. I'm showing you. This has one same body or different bodies. How it's made of two different bodies or not? Now let's come to my NaCl, which is a compound. Each molecule will be of NaCl only or not?
Yes.
Will it be one molecule will be of Na or one molecule will be of Cl? ऐसा होता है क्या कभी? नहीं. NaCl has already reacted together. So all molecules will be of NaCl or not? All molecules will be of NaCl or not? First tell me. So is it made up of same molecules? All the molecules are same. Is this substance made up of same molecules or is this substance made up of same? Even though they are in same proportion.
Second one.
This has 4, this is 4. Second one is made up of same molecules. Here they are in same proportion, all are 4. But they are different molecules or not? Copper is a different molecule, ferrous is a different molecule. So there are two different molecules in solid state which are mixed together. So this is a mixture. This is a compound.
So when iron and carbon is mixed,
they are mixed physically, then it will be a mixture. If they react with each other and form a molecule, then it is a compound.
So anything which is combined physically, that is a mixture, and anything which is combined chemically, that is a compound.
Anything which is made up of chemically combined molecules. This is made up of chemically combined molecules or not? NaCl is together or not? Na में से ऐसे Cl निकालते हैं क्या हम लोग? सॉल्ट में से सिर्फ क्लोरीन, आज सिर्फ क्लोरीन ही खाना है मुझे. Na नहीं खाना है. Electrolysis procedure, chemical procedure करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? Electrolysis is electrochemical process or not? So we have to process it or not chemically? उसके बिना खाएगा क्या आज क्लोरीन? किसको खाना है? तो I will have the Na. चलेगा? हाँ वही तो. लेकिन NaCl कितना स्टेबल होता है? Na का और Cl का कोई भी प्रॉपर्टीज है क्या NaCl में? So it's a compound, chemically combined.
So compound has its own
molecules.
So compound will have its own characteristics.
Of course.
Mixtures it
will have a different characteristics. Absolutely.
सबका अलग-अलग रहेगा.
Of course. इसमें iron का भी properties रहेगा, copper का भी properties रहेगा. लेकिन इसमें Na और Cl का properties है क्या? नहीं है. NaCl का खुद का अलग properties होता है. वो है. So compounds are made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of chemically combined atoms of different elements. Do you agree? Chemically combined.
Ma'am, it can be different as well as same, ma'am.
Different elements or but compound is same and different elements only. Oxygen compound है या element है?
So I'm talking about molecule.
O2 is different compounds or same compounds? Sorry, different element or same element? So this is molecule.
So I'm saying the definition.
O2 is not a compound.
No, I'm saying for molecules. Instead of writing just different elements, I'm saying molecules are made up of chemically combined.
This is a definition for what?
I'm talking about molecules.
But we are not talking about molecules right now. Molecules can be of same elements or different elements. But what are we talking about? So you can't say same elements. It has to be different. Molecules can be made up of same elements. O2, N2, Cl2.
So we are talking about molecules of a compound, not a
compounds are made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of chemically combined atoms of different elements.
What about molecules of compounds?
Molecules of compounds. Because we are talking in respect to compounds. इसमें ये भी लिख लो. Molecules can be of same elements. Like O2, Cl2, सल्फर 8 S8 होता है. ऑक्टा एटॉमिक होता है. फॉस्फोरस 4 होता है. I2 आयोडीन then you have H2, N2. These are all molecules of same element, and molecules can also be of different elements. Like H2O, NaCl, what else? CuO, CuSO4. What is CuSO4? Copper sulfate. All these are also molecules. One molecule of copper sulfate, two molecules of copper sulfate. So basically, compound includes only molecules which has different atoms present, and only molecules contain both things. It contains two different atoms also combined together, and similar atoms also combined, similar elements also combined together.
There is something blue vitriol.
Blue vitriol. This is blue
So
vitriol.
is that a compound or a mixture?
It is a compound as well as a mixture. The CuSO4 part is a compound, but it is attached physically with water vapor, not 5H2O. That partition part is a mixture. So CuSO4 is a compound, H2O is also a compound, but they don't chemically react. So that's a mixture.
So what, like washing soda?
Yeah, and all of this which has water of crystallization are compounds, are two compounds as a mixture. Two different compounds. So, like if I say NaCl and water, it's a mixture, no? Similarly, CuSO4 dot, when we write 5H4, that means this compound and this compound exist together, but they haven't chemically reacted.
So that dot is basically CuSO4.
That's why this is big. Yes. Physically present.
So precipitates are also mixed.
No. Precipitates, why would that? They are compounds.
No, but they have a liquid substance around them.
No, liquid is the aqueous substance. They are two different. Yeah, precipitates formed in an aqueous solution. Whole thing is a mixture. But the precipitate which has formed is a compound itself. That precipitate is a compound. अभी तो पानी में डाल दिया तो mixture ही हो जाएगा ना. See, if I add NaCl and H2O, it's a mixture or not? If I add NaCl and CO, it's a mixture or not, as long as it has not reacted. So let's say this precipitate is barium chloride. It is in the solution of sodium nitrate. So these two are mixtures only, no? And maybe there is water also present. These all three are mixtures.
Last year in our book there was an example of this only, and they said that the precipitates like a white substance and it had a liquid.
Precipitates are not always white.
But for barium chloride it is white.
Barium chloride is.
So they said that the precipitate is formed and there is a liquid substance around it.
There is a liquidy substance around it. Yeah, the aqueous solution is a liquidy substance. So that is a mixture. But precipitate is not the mixture.
So is that aqueous substance, aqua liquid water?
It could be water, it could be something else also. It could be HCl, it could be H2SO4.
So it is.
But it is a liquid state.
So in that case it is not like chemically combined.
It is not chemically combined. ये तीनों चीज chemically combined नहीं है. So all three of them form a mixture. Okay? So you understood what is a compound? You have copied it? So from this definition, I can say this, right? Which I just discussed with you, that NaCl is a compound formed by the reaction of Na and chlorine to form NaCl, which is called, isn't it? Sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride. The property of sodium will have no impact on the property of chlorine. The property of chlorine also will have no impact on the property of NaCl. Property of NaCl and NaCl, all three are completely different. Na is a, sorry?
For H2 also there is.
For every compound. Any compound we talk about. Let's take this example. NaOH. This is called as sodium hydroxide. hydrochloric acid, this will form NaCl plus H2O. There is no resemblance in the properties of NaOH, HCl, NaCl or H2O. All four are completely different properties. So when compounds are formed, whenever a chemical reaction takes place, the entire physical and chemical properties of the substance changes. Is that clear? All the physical and chemical properties of the substances will change. This is a metal. This is a non-metal. Chlorine is a non-metal or not? Chlorine is poisonous. Na is highly reactive with air and water. But NaCl is very stable or not? So can I also say when two completely unstable substances come together, it forms a stable mixture? Why? One second, let me complete this, break my stream of thought. Just 5 minutes. NaCl. Sodium is highly reactive. It reacts with anything it can find. That's why you will never find sodium in pure state. Always you will find it in form of oxides, chlorides, sulfates, sulfides, nitrates. Alright? But chlorine is also very reactive. It's so reactive that it can't stay alone. It has to combine with one chlorine and remain in it. Chlorine is also highly poisonous, highly toxic, highly reactive gas. Sodium is a solid state compound, and Cl is a gaseous state. Sodium is a solid state element, and chlorine is a gaseous state element. This is also solid. This is solid, not because sodium was solid. This is solid because it's its own property of being solid. Own property of being solid. We are just talking about the states. States are different. Now this is highly reactive. This is highly reactive. So when two highly reactive, this is highly reactive metal, highly reactive non-metal. When they come together, they form a stable compound. Because their entire job was to react with a non-metal. Na को chlorine ही चाहिए था. मिल गया तो now that relationship will be very strong or not. So therefore, when two very highly reactive elements react, they always form stable compounds. Stable है ना, we eat it. Does it hurt us? Metals don't have positive charge. Metals lose electrons and get a positive charge and form cations.
Non-metals
have a tendency of gaining that electron. So इसने जो electron lose कर दिया, Na ने, वो chlorine को मिल गया कि नहीं? That's why this bond is very strong.
That is why they combine together.
Yeah, of course. Yes. Ions combine together. Clear? Compounds का concept clear हुआ?
So if hydroxide is a radical.
Hydroxide? OH, yeah, it's a radical. OH minus.
So